So these are the three roles that we'll go over in this process. I call them the 3 C's. We have the client, the creative, and the consumer. Now the 3 C's exist, like I said, in all forms of communication. Now sometimes you'll see that the creative and the client are actually kind of absorbed into each other. And this is definitely on very small scales of communication. I mean, especially like right now, I am the creative and I am the client. I've got a message that I want to share with you, and I've also got the skills that I need to be able to produce that content and make that media to communicate that message to you in the way that I'm happy with, right? But as things grow, people start to encounter these situations where they don't know how to make the media they want to do. So since you're watching a video called How to Make the Right Video, we're going to assume by context that you're probably a creative. You're probably somebody who wants to make videos, okay? There's also a chance you could be maybe a client and you want to learn how to make videos and you don't have a lot of experience in that. And so we're going to cover a lot of the principles about how to really make a video that's going to work, that's going to get results, that's going to have functionality. So hang tight, because the stuff that we're going to go over in this course really change how effective your videos can be. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you in the next phase.